Science and technology change with each passing day. Intelligent robots have become a new trend in science and technology. As a world-leading technology company engaged in R&D, production, and manufacturing of intelligent business service robots, Pudu Robotics is committed to becoming a global technology solutions service provider in robotic applications to improve the efficiency of human production and life. By promoting R&D of core technologies such as robot motor drive and motion control and low-speed automatic driving, Pudu is providing an unprecedented delivery service experience. Pudu is innovating and developing robot localization and navigation technology through machine learning and multi-sensor integration. The solution can be widely adopted in a variety of business scenarios, easily achieving centimeter-level real-time localization and multi-robot collaboration. Intelligent design of Pudu Cloud Platform makes operation management easier. Let go of tedious tasks so you can do more meaningful things. Empower your passion and vitality, and simplify complex industry processes. Enjoy an innovative service experience and create a greater appeal. Pudu makes technology more than just technology, giving a human touch and reaching out to touch the heart. Pudu has become a global benchmark enterprise in the field of delivery robotics. In the future, Pudu will continue to stand at the forefront of the industry, bringing us infinite possibilities. This is Pudu Robotics.